In the heart of East Java, there lies a land where the morning dew nurtures life, and where every farmer's step echoes resilience and hope. This land is Jember, a region whose identity is deeply rooted in agriculture, culture, and community. My name is Dennisa Augustifanya Putri, a student of agribusiness management, and I stand as a proud representative of this agricultural heartland. Growing up surrounded by fields and farmers has shaped my perspective that agriculture is not merely an occupation, but the very foundation of human civilization. Today, agriculture faces complex challenges, from climate variability, limited land resources, to the urgent demand for technological adaptation. Yet, behind every challenge lies an opportunity to rebuild a more sustainable and inclusive agricultural ecosystem. This is where my advocacy begins with integrated farming, a system that interconnects crops, livestock, and aquaculture, forming a cycle of efficiency and harmony. In an integrated system, the waste from one sector becomes the resource for another. Livestock manure enriches the soil, crop residues feed the fish, and the entire ecosystem thrives without depending heavily on external inputs. From Jember, I carry a mission to promote integrated farming as a blueprint for sustainable development and to strengthen agro-technoparks as centers of learning and empowerment. Because agriculture is not just about growing food, it is about cultivating life, nurturing wisdom, and sustaining the legacy of our land for generations to come.